So under atomic structure, we are simply talking about the structure of an atom. Now we know that an atom is the smallest particle of an element that takes place or takes part in a chemical reaction. Now all substances are made up of atoms, and these atoms are very small. So these atoms being small, it means they are the components of substance. They make up all the substances. Now we know that an atom is made up of the shells. The shells, that's where you can find the electrons, and the nucleus. This is where you can find the protons and the neutrons. So in the nucleus, that's where you can find the protons and the neutrons. While in the shells are also called orbital levels or energy levels, and that's where you can find electrons moving around, spinning around there. So diagrammatically, we are saying an atom has got this type of a structure. Then it has got the nucleus, which is shaded, darkened in color. Then it has got electrons. Let me put them as X. So this is a shell, while the middle, the dark one, that's a nucleus. While the X shaped, that's the electrons. Now you know that electrons, they have a charge which is negative. Protons, they have a charge which is positive. And neutrons, they have a charge which is 0. They are neutral. So this must be noted: electrons negative, protons positive, neutrons 0. Let's look at the mass of these three particles of an atom. The electrons, they have a mass of 100 and over 1,840 AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit. It's a standard measurement or SI unit that is used to measure substances, or for example element masses of those elements or compounds. Then protons, they have a mass of 1 atomic mass unit, and neutrons, they have the same mass as the protons atomic mass unit. So that should also be noted. Now we know that in a neutral atom, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. So a neutral atom is an atom that has the same number of protons, which are equal to the same number of electrons. So the proton number and the electron number, they are the same. So for example, if I say sodium is a neutral atom which has got 11 electrons and 23 mass number, I just mean the protons are 11, this atomic number, and the electrons are also 11. So it's a neutral atom having the same mass number, having the same proton number and electron number. Now looking at the structure of an element, let's say we present with an X and A, then here we put B. The A on top will always stand for mass number. Then the B down there, which is the base, will always stand for atomic number. Then the X here is it's a symbol of an element. That's how all the elements are written, even when you see on the periodic table. Let's look at one example. For example, we can use calcium as an example. You know that calcium has got 40 there, then here it has got 20. So the 40 here, that's the mass number. And the 20 here, that's the atomic number. And the Ca here, that's the symbol of the element. So thanks so much.